Hello everyone, my name is Vikram Sinha and today my topic for video presentation is national income. What is national income? National income means the value of goods and services produced by a country during a financial year. Thus, it is the net result of all economic activities of any country during a period of 1 year and is valued in terms of money. National income is an uncertain term and is often used interchangeably with the national dividend, national output, and national expenditure. We can understand this concept by understanding the national income definition. Methods of national income: value added method, income method, expenditure method. What is value added method? Value added method of calculating national income focuses on the value added to a product at each stage of production. To calculate the national income using this method, we will first have to calculate the net value added at factor cost, and to calculate net value added at factor cost, we will have to deduct the net indirect taxes (NIT). Usually, this method involves dividing the economy into various industries such as agriculture, fishing, transport, communication, and so on. Value added method is that method which ensures the contribution of each producing enterprises of production in the domestic territory of the country. First, primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. What is income method? The income method measures national income from the side of payment made to the primary factors of production in the form of rent, wages, interest, and profit for their productive services in an accounting year. Thus, national income is calculated by adding up factor income generated by all the producing unit located within the domestic economy during a period of account. Summing up the net value added at factor cost by all productive enterprises of an industry or sector gives us the net value added at factor cost of each industry or sector. Lastly, to the net domestic product, we add the net product income from abroad to get the net national product at factor cost, which is called national income. Thus, NI or NNPFC is equal to this method of calculation. National income can be used where there exists a census of production of the year. Hence, this method is employed along with other methods to arrive at the national income. NDPFC plus net factor income from abroad. Since net value added by an enterprise is the result of services of factor of production, therefore, the same is distributed in the form of money income, rent, wages, interest, etc. among factor of production. Hence, value of national income method should be the same as the one calculated by the value added method. What is expenditure method? Expenditure method measures final expenditure on gross domestic product at market price, that is GDP MP at MP, during a period of account. Since domestically goods and services are purchased for final use either by consumer for consumption or by producer for investment, therefore we take the final expenditure on consumption and investment. This sums expenditure on consumer goods and services by individual and household. This is called final private consumption expenditure and is denoted by C. Government's expenditure on goods and services to satisfy collective wants. This is called government's final consumption expenditure and is denoted by G. The expenditure by productive enterprises on capital goods and inventories or stock. This is called gross domestic capital formation or gross domestic investment, and is denoted by I or GDPFC.